Clean house is go through stuff. Do you have stuff from old boyfriends? I've touched on this before, but I really mean it. Do you have stuff from old boyfriends? Get rid of it. Letters, blah, blah, blah. If they're positive and sentimental, wonderful. It's a boost to your ego. If not, keep it moving fast. The other is, do you need to make a change of scenery? Do you need to move? You know, you don't have to have money to start getting rid of clothes that you know you're never going to wear, attachments to items like an old sweater. Yeah, what were you doing when you were in that sweater? You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to go through even the most minute things like an old lipstick. Girls, smell it. Is it funky? Get rid of it. That is old energy and you don't need it anymore. And the other thing that's most important is you're not making room for anything new. Don't you want to experience the new? I mean, look, after this pandemic, I'm good to go. I'm all set. I want to travel and I'm putting all of those energies out there. You have to, you must. Otherwise, you're going to stay stuck. And stuck and boring is not my MO, okay? Modus operandi, just in case you guys didn't know. Needless to say, it's not just about thinking positive. It's about what can I do in my existence right this second to be what I want to attract. You have to be that person. I love it when you have these guys that are like, I want a girl that's drop dead gorgeous, blonde, blue-eyed, blah, 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 right? And we're talking about somebody that has a pop belly and, you know, please. Really? Are you who you want to attract? Are you that person? You know, you don't have to be perfect. And let's say you want someone that's intelligent because your trait is you're more artistic, right? That's okay. But handle your business to be the best that you are in person. You will meet the best person in a field that's intelligent. You know, opposites attract, and I'm all about that. But you can't lie around on the couch, you know, watching, super negative stuff. You know, there's so many shows, oh please, you know, that lowers our vibrational energy on purpose so that we won't rise above and awaken to what's true, right? Fake news, etc. So you have to work on yourself in order to get the results out of this life that you want. And that's pretty much it. Kisses. Please like and subscribe. It's beneficial to both of us. You know, I love putting out new content for you guys, and I get so many questions that I love to answer. I'm going to do a question and answer. And also, you know, what's the point of diving in and then not knowing that I released a new video 2 days ago? Do you know what I'm saying? So like, subscribe, raise your vibration, and keep it moving, because this is our time. It may not look or seem like it, but believe me, this is our time, and I'll get into that in our next video. Thanks. Bye.